Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem signing into your account in YouTube. So let's begin. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into settings first to resolve this issue. So in my case, I'll just go into my notifications panel and tap on this gear icon at the top right of my screen. But any other way is fine as long as you get into your settings of your device. So from here in the settings, what you want to do is go scroll all the way down until you see the accounts right here, the Google. Here, as you can see, I have my accounts right here, my Xiaomi, Google, and so on. And what you want to do is go into your accounts and sync right here, or in your case, it might have a different title if you have a different brand. So you just want to find this right here, your sync accounts right here. So you want to tap on Google from here. You want to tap on Google and you will see all the accounts that you have right here that is signed in this device, all the Google accounts. So what you want to do is you're going to remove the account that is used for your YouTube. So for example, I am using this account right here to sign in into my YouTube account. Then I would want to tap on this one. Then I want to tap on more right here, and I want to go remove this account right here. So you might have different options for this depending on the brand that you have, but what you want to find is this remove account. You want to remove this account right here from your accounts and sync. So once you have removed that, you want to sign back in by going here into your YouTube app. Let's go into our YouTube right here, and from here you want to tap on the top right corner of your screen, that profile picture icon, and from here you want to tap on this arrow right here, this right arrow, and then you would see all the accounts right here. And since you have removed your account that you used for YouTube, then you can just go and add an account by tapping here on this plus icon. And from here you can add an account and you would want to sign in, and after providing your details, your email and your password, then you would be able to have it here signed in YouTube, and from here you can see if your issue is solved. And that is basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.